Good morning, students. Today we will start discussing about the reproductive system in male and female. First we will discuss about the male reproductive system. It consists of organs like testis, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, penis, scrotum, etc. In the next slide we will see the diagram of male reproductive system, and then we will learn about the various organs present in this reproductive system in male. The main reproductive organ in male is the testis. It is a rounded or oval shaped organ where the formation of sperm takes place. The sperms float in a fluid known as semen. So the testis secretes the semen in a cup shaped structure known as epididymis, and in this epididymis the semen is collected and then it passes through the vas deferens or the sperm duct. You can see there are some glands. This is prostate gland, seminal vesicle, and this one is prostate gland. Both these glands, they secrete some hormones that gives nourishment to the sperm so that they can move easily, as well as they can survive for a longer time. There are a pair of vas deferens in the male reproductive system, and that vas deferens finally meets in the common tube known as urethra. So urethra is a common tube where the two vas deferens come and meet, and this urethra is a duct through which two type of fluid can flow or pass. They are semen and the second one is urine. You can see the urethra is connected to the vas deferens from one side, and it is also connected to the urinary bladder from the other side. So it is a common passage for urine and as well as semen from the vas deferens. The urethra is passing through the center of a muscular organ, and this muscular organ consists of erectile tissue. That means they become hard and they become erect on getting stimulus. So this organ is known as penis, and the main function of penis is to protect the urethra so that urine can also pass, as well as this penis mainly helps in injecting of the semen into the female's vagina. So these are the various functions of the organs of male reproductive system. Now you can see the various functions of male reproductive system and note it down in your copy one by one. First one is testis. It produces sperm which keeps on floating in a fluid known as semen. Second is vas deferens or sperm duct. It is a tube that conducts semen from testis to urethra. Next is urethra. It is a common duct that conducts semen as well as urine from the excretory system. Penis. It is a muscular organ with erectile tissue through which urethra passes. It mainly helps in injecting semen into vagina of female. Next is prostate gland and seminal vesicle. They are the two glands which secrete certain type of fluids, and their secretion gives nourishment to the sperms. And the last one is scrotum. There is a sac-like structure that hangs outside the body, that is visible in the outside part of the body in the males, and this is a sac-like structure in which pair of testes are located. Mainly the testis is present in the scrotum and it is hanging outside the body so that it can maintain temperature, because testis can produce sperm in a certain condition of temperature. So this scrotum helps in maintaining the temperature at which the testis can easily produce the sperms. So these are the various organs of male reproductive system, their function, and the diagram of the male reproductive system you should make in your copy. And then in the next class we will discuss about the female reproductive system. That's all for today. Thank you.